Hey, excuse me.
Hi.
How much do you pay for rent in Thailand?
I bought my house.
How much do you pay?
Over 30 million Thai baht.
Can we take a look?
What do you think, guys? Here we are. This one's Phone. Phoi Thong. I adopted them from the street. I'm an interior designer, and this house was my first ever project after I graduated. Come.
Oh wow, this is beautiful.
I designed all this. 350 square meters. The living room.
Do you play the piano?
A little bit.
I want to know about this.
I haven't used it for many years.
Go.
My cousin made that. It's Chinese spiritual house to protect all the house. Let's go upstairs. It's my bedroom. My favorite color is
Blue?
blue. Really like stitch
I thought so.
everywhere.
Sweet computer. Did you customize this?
Customize all. This is my design. When I was young, I was really into drawing and always thought about what my future house gonna look like. Walk-in closet here
is spacious.
and big balcony.
Oh, this is nice.
This is my design and construction.
You built this?
Yes.
Wow.
Now it's storage. Stay with my dog. Yeah, come on. We can try coffee.